Me's a handicap. Cocky lick it out. It's me, it is a habit. See that again? And me do it. See that again? See that again? And me do it. Look at me now. Exactly. It's me do it. If I chew my nose, the body gonna lick it out. It just lick it out. I just straighten on my face. Bloop. Bloop in my face. And it. Gas. Girl, ain't nobody talking about social media and real life. That's just me overall. Mama, like, I can give you 2 big bags of clothes right now. 2 big garbage bag of clothes and no cap. Like, you don't know me. I'm not really repeat clothes. I have a lot of that. I'm always a buy. It don't make no sense. I'm a sell clothes. Come on. This ain't even about social media. This is even before enough I want to know me. This are from long time. From a band. Before Instagram start keep. When Facebook was the shit and most people know me from them time. And about repeat clothes and social media. That's just me. Everything I wear, I give it away. Or if I feel like, say, I bust a sale pan it, I bust a sale pan it. But I don't really keep my clothes them. I don't really wear my clothes them like that. Clothes in pictures, that is, I'm talking. Not about a little inside yard clothes and them little thing then. No. I talk if you're not going to take a picture in some outfits. Yeah. Why would I have a full outfit on my gram? Zine? And then go same way in the full outfit and take a next picture again. And post it. I don't really believe in them thing then. No, mama. Them thing they are not my thing, isn't me? I now say I would have a little sexy dress so I wear go one at a time. I now order blood clot fly I get let in the room here, you know. I don't want him pitch pan, I don't like fly. I now say I would wear back something, but I'm not going to post the next picture in it. So definitely uno not gonna know that I even wear back that one dress there. But overall, I'm not really wear back my clothes them, to be honest. And it's not hype. So it's not hype, it's me. Yeah. It's not hype. Somebody said from Excel studies. They say from high school. Exactly, so now I got bash me when they say I repeat my clothes. Look how much people up on the live so them not repeat them clothes either. I saw them stay, girl. About the eye situation. Everybody got something for say now about the eye. But as I say cocky lick it out, just leave it at that. Exactly. Mila, don't fucking come for me. You have a person. Don't come for my boy. It be your own friends though. It be your own friends that bring you down. It be your own fucking friends. Bumbleclad, somebody said them wear it back. Them wear back them stuff, but a different version. Mama said a different version. Wear our clothes them in a. Hey, I'm sick and tired of the dirty behavior. I'm sick and tired. Classy, baby. Classy. If you know, well, I read the comments. Exactly. So it's not even, brother, clothes cheap. Well, to me. Clothes cheap, yeah, about to me. Worse in a big dirty foreign. Clothes cheap, dog. All $2 heels, I go out there to go see, dog. Oh, God, the fries are rest your son. All $2 heels, I go up on mall, go see, brother. And girl still naked. I'm always give her stuff, man. Girl, no cap. I'ma post the video. I'ma make a snap with it. $2 heels. I'ma make a snap with it. I gotta post it on my story. Bumbo clap. Mila, you see, Mila loves certain things, brother. You see what me I talk, boss lady. Brittany, I'm a friend. Mila, I'm a friend. I just say him stay. Mila, I'm a friend. Nobody done him. I'm a friend. I'm a friend. Very. Mama, sure. I walk through Primark, girl. Cheap clothes. If it look good, yeah. Do I have the video? No, the video story on my Snapchat. So it's not like some could I did share the screen, I don't know, and I'm a Snapchat store. Mega post it on my story. I don't know them easy with the chain. They're on the ankle. When I post it on the see me at and a modern shoes, because I have a heel similar like that. I'm going to show y'all. Just wait no, man. I have it on my Snapchat from what day, but I never post it. Sometimes I can't remember to post certain things. Girl, woman clothes cheap. I don't know about the man clothes them, because them ever say man clothes there and boy pitney clothes there. But you see females clothes there. Cheap. Girl, at $2 mean seat for. What is that going on for? Hold on there. Una don't come for Brittany. And a Brittany alone do it. Una don't come fair. No, people just tired of people basically. Remember say, listen. Remember say people always are come for no reason still, you know. And you have people. You're gonna have, come on. As much as enough people hate me, you have people who really love me for true. So the hate, you have the hate and the love. And them type of people, they don't really like certain things. Like the people them constantly come for me. So when them see somebody start come for me when man actually not doing anything, them have to speak out. So that happen. But it be your own friends. But me and my friends still. Love the curtains. Yeah, I fussy girl. It's my cousin's room. I'm in my cousin's room. Yeah, I can't speak on man clothes, but girl clothes cheap. Where I get my pants from? What pants? The pants. What pants? The pants with the chain. The pants with the chain. Hey, baby. I'm gonna tag her. I'm gonna share it in my story. When I finish, I'm gonna share it in my story. But not, I don't know. We'll over explain it. Cause, well, I'm trying to scratch me. She makes stuff, but I like me did tell her to make it, if you understand. She just randomly make stuff, post and I sell. I'ma see it and like it and buy it. I don't remember art from top of my head name. Physics. I don't want chat fucker, man. That's what I'm tag it now. I gotta tag it. I post on my story and tag it. Oh God, my throat. Oh God, I should take a picture of Coney Island a while ago, you know. I'm so mad. When I like go with people when I take picture. And if I go with them and you not take my picture good, I feel like you don't like me. You never go with some people yet and to all them stay when afraid for ask them for take on a picture. Like you want to say, can't come take my picture. But baby, true them not depend that cause my heart for please cause them would have to stand up and take me all 100 picture for me just choose 2 out of the 100. I'm that type of person. So if you go with me, like, just prepare yourself. Like, you're gonna take me pictures, bitch. You're gonna bend down. You're gonna stand up and chair. You're gonna climb up in a one tree. You're gonna lie down flat. You're gonna stand up straight. You're gonna do everything you can do for me get a good picture. And if you don't want to do that, I feel like you don't like me. I'm gonna go with you again. The audacity. The audacity, but that's so much there. Anybody who watch my live know we go with me. Anybody who watch my live know we go with me. No, say so much there. Bumba clot when I come about the eye thing, cocky lick up my eye, and yes, cocky lick up my throat too. That's why my throat has scratch me. That's why my throat has scratch me. Don't know. Don't have for eye and throat business. Yeah. Jesus Christ, cause I don't know. Girl. Alright, so Rose and they were jam alive. Ask her, she go with me already. My picture off of my girl, I want to get 20 picture. Me I say, no, take back one more, take back that pose here. Some stay like, I have to take my picture of them. Maybe so somebody there with sense. Jesus. Maybe at that moment because it kind of chilly over there so. It kind of get chilly a while ago over Coney Island. So maybe I had the breeze for true girl. And it is a shorts my van. No, but them are going to tell me say a cocky in my throat. So if them want to say a cocky in my throat, make it a scratch me, run with that. And say my eye cast and cocky lick it out, run with that too. Like right now, you just have to go run with certain things. Just run with it. Yeah. Then that man know, but a while ago, the woman who did outside with a while ago. I'm afraid I never want to ask her to take my picture. I just think say it would be a waste of time for ask her to take my picture, to be honest. Come on, you know when I look at somebody else, I say, come here, that person not gonna take my picture good. Roseanne actually did a good job. You did. When the picture was up on my page, in the lavender top, with my little half up, half down hairstyle and some leather pants when it have on. Roseanne took those pictures. She actually did a good job. For real. And I did have to stress her out. Yeah. That one no good girl. Run and brought them blood clot neck. Girl, it's getting... Then September now, mickle now. So you know it get well cold in New York. You know that bad still kind of feel nice, but... can't work with. Can't work with look a bit. Exactly because they're closer to the sea too. Mel. Yeah, I call him Melo. Mel. You see me in Florida all like yeah. Me not even know what to say. When I'm there in Florida, I'm post them there in Florida, you watch my story there, you see them in Florida. You see them there. I'm there in Florida I'm there in Florida longer than home even there in New York. To be honest. I go Florida in July. Go back to Jamaica. I go back to Florida what day again in August month. I'm there in Florida in April as well. So April I'm there in Florida till I go home. July I'm there in Florida. Go back to Jamaica. Come back up again in August. There Florida. Florida. And it's always the same place. Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Because you know, I just look at driving distance. You see that? You not link me that time. I know you have to come say, when I come back to Florida. Girl, go to hell. Go to hell. I don't know, I might come back next week. Not a blood clot. I don't know you come forgot me yard right now. I need to go back to Jamaica right now. Girl, of course I got me yard. We'll talk off air, Melo, because even if I go whenever, next week after next, tomorrow, anytime I go back to Florida, you know I'm not going to say it right now on my live. I'm going to text you and tell you when I'm actually going back to Florida. Okay? And then we link up. Girl, no, I'm not saying my dog. My mother keep him for me. I have a green card. Boom, cut up in that too. Half for me and half for you. Half of... Leave me alone. My dirty dog there, my mother girl. Him bad. Oh, somebody that come up on FaceTime. Girl, it be the wait for me. It be the wait. Somebody actually want to send me money for me buy something for them, and it be the wait for me. Like I cannot. Unless them I go get a suitcase and pay for it. Then I'll bring it down. But it be the wait for me. I have my own shit. So I have to know how I buy and bring. Because right now I know I'm overweight. Right now, I never have a carry-on. I just one suitcase I travel with. I not bring a carry-on. I know I have to get, is it I'm going to get a next suitcase right now? I want them something there for carry-on. Yeah, because all of them bag here now all in that suitcase there. Somebody that carry on. Definitely. So it be the weight. Okay? That's the point. Don't question me. That's the point. You're correct. That's the point right there. Oh my God, Christine Columbus just discovered. That's the point. Don't question me. I'ma say anything. I'ma say anything. As far as Uno know right now, me is a citizen. Yeah. The other day, I say, okay, it depends, but it's a different type of visa I have. When I come back again tonight, what type of visa I have, I say, okay, me have green card. The next time when I ask me is a citizen. Okay. Like, come on. That's the point. I'm not disrespect nobody, but I have a cause disrespect on own self. Like, come on, am I going to discuss that on my live? The feds are watching. All the time. Uno self a feds and detective. Uno weird, you fuck. I'm gonna answer now now cuss me and say, do anything for the gram. Do what for the gram? Not answer you guys, tell lies. Normalizing telling lies to people. Don't tell people all on the business on the life. Learn that from me, yeah? Normalizing lying to people. Normalizing lying to, like lie to people. Like, I am going to sit right here and discuss that. No, ask me anything else. Nobody, Roseanne. Like, come on. And most of them will ask them personal questions. They don't even like my brother. Like, them don't even like me. Them just dip on my page. Them don't even like when I'm a picture them ever. They're just on my page to find out shit. Like, don't question me. I have a green card. Army is a citizen. I'm married to one big old white man. I'm going to get my straights. Yeah. That's why I can't travel so often. One white man with it soon dead. Him dead still. So me's a widow. Also? Widow. I don't know. Whichever one of the male. Whichever one of the female. I am that right now. My white man dead. And a dasheen and a dumpling. I'm not just a yam. I'm a dasheen and a dumpling. Like, what do you don't feel like I'm gonna feel bad about nothing? I'm a dasheen and a dumpling. I mean, a sweet potato. Just ground provisions, girl. I'm a grown provisions. I'm a grown provision, okay? Who I need to block? Girl, I do that with ease. I do that with ease. Lie with a straight face too. It's a deep wave. It's a deep wave here. I'm not gonna bother person my business. If them want to call me it's a grown provision. Sure. Yeah, girl, that's what I say. Him soon dead and him know him dead. It's not even that serious. I wouldn't ever act up on yourself, you know. Okay, you're so black. Bitch, we don't call people name here. Like, who the fuck is that? Bye. Like, don't do that to my life. Don't do that to my life. Be careful. Don't do that to my life. Don't do that to my life. Will not do that. I even block the person where I custom about visa. I even block the person where call me yam. But you did have to come and try for a bit different. You did have to go out of the box. Way down in one part, down in one big toe, and go dig up that and come from a good, nice, clean life. Come and do that. Like, go to hell. Roseanne, and you been around me, you know. Oh, I just scream out and laugh when them try to do something else.